Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask to Rabby Wallet. First, ensure you have both MetaMask and Rabby Wallet installed as browser extensions. Rabby Wallet provides a more secure and user-friendly interface for interacting with various blockchain networks. This process allows you to manage your existing crypto assets and interact with decentralized applications using Rabby's features, while still leveraging your established MetaMask accounts. To begin, open your MetaMask extension and select the specific account you wish to connect to Rabby. Click on the three vertical dots next to your account name, then choose Account Details. From there, select Export Private Key or locate your seed phrase. It is crucial to handle this information with extreme care as it grants full access to your funds. Copy this key or phrase securely for the next step. Now open your Rabby Wallet extension. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to set up a new wallet or import an existing one. Choose the Import Private Key or Import Seed Phrase option. Carefully paste the private key or seed phrase you copied from MetaMask into the provided input field. Confirm the import, and your MetaMask account will now be accessible within your Rabby Wallet interface. After importing, take a moment to verify that your MetaMask account, along with all its associated assets and transaction history, is correctly displayed within your Rabby wallet. You should see the same address and balance. You are now ready to enjoy Rabby Wallet's advanced features, such as pre-transaction risk scanning and multi-chain support, all while managing your familiar MetaMask account seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.